Have you ever noticed how some objects seem to sing when you touch them? It's like they have a secret melody waiting to be heard. Well, let's uncover the mystery behind these peculiar sounds. Imagine you have a glass cup in front of you. When you gently tap it with a spoon, it produces a clear ping sound. This happens because the glass vibrates at a specific frequency when struck, creating sound waves we hear as that distinct noise. Different objects vibrate in unique ways, explaining why a metal pot clinks differently from a wooden table thuds. So, the next time you hear a mysterious sound, remember, it's all about vibrations dancing in the air.